Hello my beautiful ladies, Assalamu alaikum, welcome back to my channel. If you are watching me for the first time, hi, hello, my name is Tia. I'm a makeup artist from Karachi, Pakistan. I say that to validate myself, in case somebody comes after me, I can be like, I'm a makeup artist, I know what I'm doing. So, you guys, in today's video, I'm going to create this look. What's so special about this look, you may ask? Well, I did this makeup using the cheapest makeup that I own. I have a similar video like this before where I used all my most expensive makeup on my face. I made that look so fancy, so extra. So I am going to do the opposite of that in this video by using my cheapest, most affordable makeup that I have. And you guys, some of the products that I used today literally blew my mind. Literally, if I sat here with my mind all blown, literally it would be a horror video, not a makeup tutorial. So, well, you know what I mean. So if you want to see how I created this look, keep on watching. So you guys, in today's video we are going to be using my most affordable, cheapest product that I have in my collection. And I have to say this, you guys, some of these products are my most favorite products, like of all time. It's not just like they are my cheapest most favorite products. No, I did not even know that these were the cheapest items that I had. They are amazing, so amazing. There are some duds, but I will show you how you can make a dud project work in this video. So for moisturizing my skin, I'm taking this cream by Nivea. It is their soft cream. You can use it all over your face, body, hands, whatever, and it is so affordable. I think it costs less than 200 rupees. Next, I'm going to color correct my dark circles with this color corrector from LA Girl. It is their Pro Conceal High Definition Concealer Corrector. You guys, I would highly not recommend using this applicator directly on your skin. This type of applicators accumulate so much germs and bacteria on them. When I first bought these concealers, I think I got them for around 600 rupees or 750 rupees, and you guys, they are still available for the same price, which is mind-blowing. 6 years ago, some of the makeup that I bought for like 2000 rupees has gone up to at least 3000 rupees now. But this concealer is bomb.com, you guys. It even outperforms some of my luxury concealers. It is so good. And now for foundation, I am going to take, you guys, just wait, okay? You are not ready for this. I was not ready for this. I was just not prepared. So here it is, the Wet n Wild Photo Focus foundation. This is the cheapest foundation that I own, and you guys, it is one of my most favorite foundations ever. I think I'm on my third bottle of this foundation. I love it so much. It is just perfect. It photographs beautifully, lasts on my skin beautifully. I'm going to mix the shades soft beige and golden beige today because I'm kind of in between these shades. Mixing the two shades together. You absolutely do not need to cake your face with this foundation. You need such a small amount and it will still give you so much coverage. For brightening up my face, I'm going to take the same concealer that I used on my eyelids, and it is this one by LA Girl again. And you guys, I really just like to empty out its brush because I just feel it's so disgusting to leave the product in its applicator for too long. I think I have become such a big germaphobe. Usually you see people on camera, especially on YouTube, on Instagram, they like to just pile on product on their face. I don't like to do that at all. I know that it looks really good on camera when you apply a lot of product at once and then blend it out, but in real life it does not look that good. And now it is time to cream contour, and you guys, I have to show you this, right? This pot contains LA Girl concealer again in a different shade, in a very dark shade. I think this is in the shade Toffee. I was getting so tired of the squeezy tube that I just cut it open, took out all the product in this little jar. That way I can just scoop the product out of the jar and work from my palette. I always want to be extra sculpted. I'm also going to cream contour my nose today because I do not really have a powder contour. We are just using creams today. So you guys, in case I look insane right now, it is because my camera died and I had to recharge the battery, and meanwhile I completed my half face of makeup and left half to show you what I used. To set my base, I'm going to take this loose powder by Christine. It is their loose face powder. Now you guys, when I got this powder, I had so many doubts because it smelled very chemically and I was afraid to use it on my face, but I used it like 2 or 3 times and every time nothing bad happened to my skin. And you guys, it says beautiful like you in its cap. I'm just going to take a very small amount and set my under eyes first. And you guys, it took me about 15 minutes to complete the half side of my face, right? And the concealer has not creased at all, even without me setting it with powder. That's how amazing the LA Girl concealer is. And I really like how this powder does not overly mattifies my base at all. My skin is so dry nowadays, I cannot afford to use a matte powder. So the cheapest highlighter I own is this one by Makeup Revolution. It is their strobe highlighter. So these are the 3 shades that I have, and the only one that is remotely going to look natural is this one. It is called Supernova. I do not like these highlighters at all. They are so powdery. This is the only choice that I have today, so I'm just going to apply it. I actually got these highlighters because I wanted to try funky highlight colors and I did not want to invest in, you know, an expensive highlighter that was this color. So I got them, and their formula is just so powdery and so chalky that I never really use them. So I am going to have to really make them work today. It is blending quite nicely, like it is not turning patchy. So aside from the powderiness, I guess it's not that bad, but it is definitely not one of my most favorite highlighters. For blush, again, Wet n Wild is coming through, and this is their Color Icon blush. See what I mean, you guys? So pretty. Now you guys, I really don't like using pencils for my brows, but the cheapest brow product that I had was this pencil from Essence. So I thought, why not use it like a pomade? I just took a little bit on my palette. I broke the pencil. My issue with brow pencils, you know, traditional brow pencils, is that they can make your brows look super blocky, which I do not like at all. This Essence pencil is actually amazing. It lasts all day long. I have been using this for a very long time, and 2 years ago I did prefer a very blocky brow, so it was perfect for me back then. Now I can just use it this way like a pomade, take some out on my palette and just draw on my brows how I like to. So the brows are on, and I went ahead and did my mascara too, and for that I used this one by Maybelline. It is the Colossal Volume Mascara. This mascara is okay. It is not the best mascara out there, but it is definitely not the worst mascara out there either. It is just a nice balance in between. If you already have long lashes, that is going to give you a nice amount of volume, but if you have lashes like me, it is just going to be very mediocre. But that's okay, because we have some very affordable false lashes. These look so worn out, don't they? These are by this brand called Artmatic, I think, and these only cost about 100 rupees. So we can totally put them on, but are we going to? I just said it very confidently just a minute ago, right? We have lashes, but are we going to put them on? I don't think so, you guys. I don't want to. And now we are going to do lips. You guys, my lips are just crusty today. Can we ignore them? Can we please ignore my crusty lips? I put lip balm on them, but it did nothing. Now you guys, for lipstick, I don't always use a lip liner on my lips, so I'm going to skip it today. I do have a very affordable liner from Catrice, but you can't really find that easily in Pakistan, and lip liner is not the most important makeup step for me. One of the most important makeup steps is lipsticks, and here I have this lipstick by Medora. Now you guys, nothing beats this lipstick. It costs only 130 rupees and it is amazing. You guys, I have about 20, 30, 40 shades, I don't know. I have these 2 palettes full of Medora lipstick shades because These lipsticks are amazing, you guys. These are amazing. They have so many formulas. They have matte, they have shimmery, they have glossy, and these lipsticks last all day long on my very dry, crusty lips. So I love them. Now I'm going to go off camera, apply some lipstick on my lips, and be right back. Alright guys, so my makeup is complete. I used the shade Sis and Desert Brown from my lipstick palette that I have here. Alright guys, that was all. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, do give it a thumbs up, and if you want to see more from me, please consider subscribing to my channel. Thank you so much for watching. Take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.